everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know people's name on Omegle. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While using Omegle, you might want to find out the person's name you are chatting with, but can we really do that? Well, the answer is no. You cannot find someone's name on Omegle that you are chatting with, but you can track their IP location, their city, region, and also their internet provider. So, if you want to find out the name of that person, you'll need to ask them yourself. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser and in the web address bar, type in omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go ahead and select whether you'd like to chat with a text or a video and give it a click. Select both of the boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. And now, while in a conversation with a stranger, you can simply ask them for their name. There's a slight possibility that they might say their name right away after they start chatting with you, but in some cases, they might not. That is the only way you'll be able to find out the name of the person you are chatting with on Omegle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.